Do you ever carry a song that's been with you for generations? Not because it's complicated, not because it's perfect, but because somewhere inside the words there's comfort. A reminder that broken hearts aren't the end of the story. I think people are starving for that right now. Not argument, not noise, not somebody screaming louder than everybody else. A hand on your shoulder, a voice saying, hey, it's gonna be all right. You don't have to carry all this by your side. Truth is, most of us are fighting battles nobody can see. Some are grieving, some are lonely in crowded rooms, some are smiling for everybody else, but quietly falling apart inside. And sometimes healing doesn't come through grand moments. Sometimes it comes through kindness, through patience, through a conversation, through somebody simply choosing not to give up on another human being. Maybe that's how peace really starts. Not in governments, not on television, but one heart at a time. One person deciding to make the load lighter for someone else. And maybe the world doesn't need more people trying to be right all the time. Maybe it just needs more people willing to be gentle. Yes. Thanks for stopping by.